Namaste. If anybody wanted to buy programming package, first and foremost one, learner sign up. You have to finish off learner sign up. Very simple. Enter first name, enter your email ID, then choose a password. You can choose any password. Only three fields. First name, email ID, choose the password, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, one mail will be going to this particular email ID. One mail will be going to whatever mail ID you have specified. Go to that mail, activate. There is a link called activate. There is a button called activate. Activate. Click on that activate. Once you click on that activate, learner sign up will be done. Then second step is learner login. Learner login. Whatever email ID you mentioned, whatever password you have chosen, mention email ID and password, click on login. Now sign up and login both are done. Sign up and login both are done. Once sign up and login got over, in the home page, come little bottom, you can see programming. Core Java, Python, SQL, JavaScript. Come down, you can see procedure to buy. Already sign up is done, activate email account also done, learner login also done. Now you can click straight away on recorded classes. Click on this. Once you click on this, buy now for 4 years access. Click on this. Once you click on this, it is showing price after discount is 2000 GST. The final price is 2360. Let us enter the coupon code. This is the coupon code for Uttar Pradesh. After entering the coupon code, click on get the price. Now you can see price after discount with a coupon code is 250 and the GST is a 45 and final price is 295. The final price is 295 after keeping this coupon code. Now click on continue. It is asking the banking transaction. You can choose the credit card or debit card or net banking. Any one among these three. Enter the details, make the payment. Automatically you will be getting this package. Once payment is success, then it will take you to the home page. You can click on dashboard. If you click on my courses, you will be seeing all the courses over here like Core Java, Python, JavaScript and also SQL. For any queries, you can reach this email ID for any kind of queries. It's very simple. Please remember, first learner sign up, activating your email account, then learner login, then buy now. In the home page itself, there is a buy now button. I'll show you once again buy now. You can see programming package. The price is 2000. Click on buy now. If you click on this, it will show you 2000 with a GST. 2000 with a GST. You can keep the coupon code. Once you enter the coupon code, don't give any spaces. Just type exactly as it is, or you can copy. Get the price with the coupon code. Click on this. Now you can see the total price is 250 plus 45 295. Click on continue. Now you need to provide your banking information. I'm assuming like you understood complete process. If you find any difficulty, please call back or you can send a mail. You can see there is a WhatsApp number or there is a email ID. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you understood very well. Thank you very much.